Alright, on this video, okay, we will learn how to calculate the surface area of a cuboid. So basically, in the drawing, okay, cuboid is drawn like this. Okay, so you have a square shape, basic square shape, followed by a rectangle. Okay. Okay, it can be either this or any other variation. Okay, so this is the basic shape. So in 3D, something that I have modeled, this is your cuboid. Okay, hold on. So this is your cuboid. Okay, this is your basic shape. Okay, actually I believe that you have learned on how to calculate cuboid in your either primary school. Okay, but we will refresh it back. Okay, so this is how the cuboid, and let's say you are given, okay, a cuboid, okay, with the height of, let's say, 10 cm and the length of, let's say, 30 cm. So calculate the surface area. So basically, you have the picture, and then in your brain, okay, the next first step, as I have taught you, the how key points is net the shape. Because we are calculating surface area, meaning to say, you have to flatten it out so that you can spread the chocolate Nutella on top of all of every corner of this shape. Okay, so now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. If you notice, okay, all right, if you notice here, you have 1, 2, 3, 4 same equal rectangle face, rectangular shape, okay, surface, and then you have 5 and 6 is a square surface. Okay, so once you have net the shape, you need to understand what is the number 2. The second how key point is the basic formula of first rectangle, basic formula for rectangle and square. Okay, so if it's rectangle, basically it will become, okay, remember here 10 cm, okay, from this to this it is 10 cm. If it's a square, meaning to say all of this is 10 cm, and here is also 10 cm. Therefore, okay, if from here to here is 10 cm, from this part, this part from here to here is also 10 cm. This is also 10 cm. This is also 10 cm. Okay, because when you fold it, when you build it, it matches this one. Get it? This part and this part meets up. Okay, so they have the same 10 cm. So now, if this is 10 cm, can you see here? So from here to here, okay, is 30 cm. This is from the question. 30 cm is from the question. 30 cm. Okay. Now, how do we? The basic formula for rectangle and square is the same. Not the same. It's similar. Okay. So if it's a square, okay. Okay. So if it's a square, what will happen is that it will be the length times the height, or the length times the width. Okay, square length times width. The same also with rectangle, it will be this length times the width or the height. Length times the width. Okay, what makes it different, okay, when you calculate it, it's just the number you put in, you key in. Okay, so this is the second step, the basic formula. And then the third step is the surface area for a cuboid formula. Okay.
I'm trying to cube.
This one. Okay, so first calculate the rectangle, the surface area of this one, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it have equals to, okay, surface area of a cuboid formula equals to, it is the length times the width, which is 30 times 10. How many surface do I have? Okay, how many surface do I have? Okay, it is a bit crooked. So how many surface of rectangular surface do I have? I have 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I need to times this with 4 surfaces plus, okay, plus with the square. Okay, so the formula for the square is 10 times 10. So it is 10 times 10. How many square do I have? I have 1 and 2. Correct? Then, okay, how many 0 do I have? I have 2 0, and then 3 plus, okay, 2. How many 0 do I have? I have 2 0. 1 times 1 is equals to 1. Okay, and then you solve it for an answer. Okay, 4 times 3 is equals to 12,000 plus 200. So the total surface area is 1,400. It is cm and cm. cm square. You need to have this unit. Do you get it? So this is how you calculate, okay, a surface area for a cuboid.